From startups to big names, everyone's in on it. T-shirt marketing. Want to know why? Today, we're revealing the secrets behind impactful t-shirt branding that can skyrocket your business. Hey, I'm Faye, and today we'll be diving into the world of custom t-shirts and how they can significantly elevate your branding and marketing. As we talk today, I'll be sharing a time-lapse of the design process for one of our latest projects, a t-shirt design for the brand Money of a Millionaire ongoing. In this video, we'll explore why branded t-shirts are essential, share some design tips for creating memorable designs, and chat a bit about effective t-shirt branding strategies. Whether you're a startup, solopreneur, or an established brand, these insights will help you leverage custom t-shirts in a way that truly resonates with your audience. So let's get started. Have you ever noticed how a simple t-shirt can grab attention and start conversations? Branded apparel, especially custom t-shirts, can really elevate your brand. If you're walking down the street and you see someone wearing a t-shirt with a vibrant and unique design, or a slogan or a quote that really leaves an impact, that kind of sticks with you, right? Even if it's just for a split second, it really gets you thinking, oh, what's that brand? It turns heads and it sparks curiosity. That's the psychological impact of branded t-shirts. They're not just clothes, they're walking billboards promoting brand loyalty and recognition. And they're one of the many keys to creating a professional image and boosting your brand's visibility. They imprint your brand on the minds of your potential customers. Did you know that promotional t-shirts can generate thousands of impressions over their lifetime? They're one of the most cost-effective marketing tools, offering a high return on the investment. And the best part is, their appeal is pretty universal. Whether it's for event promotion, employee uniforms, or product promotion, t-shirts have a unique way of capturing attention and building a sense of community. But what really sets custom t-shirts apart is their ability to tap into current trends, social movements, cultural events, and honestly, your customers' thoughts in general. With them, you have the opportunity to express your brand's voice and values in a way that connects with your audience. But before jumping into your t-shirt design, remember, if you don't have a brand yet, that is definitely the first step. Building a brand is like laying the foundation for a house. Everything else just sits on top of it, making it look and feel more like home. If you're ready to start your branding journey, consider checking out our brand design sprint. It's your first step to getting the essentials like a logo suite, a color palette, and fonts you need to make a lasting impression. You'll find more information in the description below. Alright, so think about the last time a t-shirt caught your eye. What was it about that t-shirt that made you take a second look? Well-designed t-shirts can not only catch the eye, but also leave a lasting impression. Remember, a great design is more than just visually appealing. It communicates your brand's identity and values. So, how do you do this? The first element of a good t-shirt design is colors and fonts. Try to focus on implementing your brand's colors and typography. These two elements are not just a part of your brand, they're a chance to speak your brand's language. Choose colors and fonts that represent your brand's personality, whether it's bold and vibrant, quirky and fun, or subtle and sophisticated. Whatever direction you go, consistency in colors and fonts across all your branding assets helps increase recognition and adds to a strong visual identity. Next, you want to be very intentional with your design. Your t-shirt should tell a story, whether it's through a creative illustration, a catchy slogan, or a clever use of your brand's icons and graphics. Be deliberate in all of your design choices. Every element should have a purpose and contribute to that overall message that you'd like to convey. And don't forget to include your brand's name somewhere in there. Even if you don't have a logo, website, or phone number on there, even though that is preferred, definitely include at least your brand's name to increase brand recognition. Now onto the technical side. Printing. A great design can lose its impact with poor quality printing. Invest in high quality, long-lasting printing methods like screen printing, direct-to-garment, or dye sublimation to ensure your design looks as good on the shirt as it does on screen. This will help your t-shirt continue to make an impact for a longer time. With a t-shirt design that's consistent with your brand and the messages you want to share with the world, and beautifully designed and printed well, you should be sparking conversations in no time. If you have a brand in place and an idea brewing, why not bring it to life? Our custom t-shirt design service is tailored to bring your unique ideas out of your head and onto actual t-shirts. Whether you're looking to launch a new product line, run a promotional event, or just enhance your brand's presence, a custom t-shirt might just be the answer you're looking for. Definitely check out our service. You can find the link in the description below. Okay, so if we have a well-designed t-shirt, how do we effectively use these custom t-shirts for branding and marketing? There are tons of strategies that can significantly enhance your brand's presence and connect with your audience. One effective strategy is promotional giveaways. These can be done at events, online contests, or as part of a customer loyalty program. 85% of people remember the companies that give them branded merch. That includes t-shirts. People love free stuff, and a well-designed t-shirt is an item that keeps your brand on their mind and in the public eye. Think of each t-shirt as a walking advertisement, spreading your brand wherever it's worn. Another strategy is using custom t-shirts as employee uniforms. This not only creates a professional and unified look for your team, but it also turns them into brand ambassadors. Every interaction they have in these uniforms extends your brand's reach. Social media campaigns are also crucial in today's digital world. Maybe encourage your customers to share photos wearing your t-shirts and tag your account in that photo. This not only engages your existing audience, but it also introduces your brand to potential new customers. And one more powerful tool is influencer marketing. Partnering with influencers, artists, musicians, or other brands who align with your brand's values can dramatically increase your reach. They can showcase your t-shirts to their followers, creating an authentic connection between your brand and their audience. Or you can do a unique t-shirt collaboration to bring in a fresh perspective to your brand. Each of these strategies not only increases brand visibility, but also enhances word-of-mouth marketing. When people wear and talk about your brand, it creates a ripple effect, expanding your brand's reach exponentially. And to help you get started, we're offering a free consultation to the first 20 inquiries about our custom t-shirt design services. This is a fantastic opportunity to bring your brand's ideas to life. You can find the link in the description below. And that's really the basics of how custom t-shirts can elevate your branding and marketing. Let's do a quick recap of what we talked about. Custom t-shirts can really elevate your brand, and they serve as a walking billboard that promotes brand loyalty and recognition. When designing your shirts, there should be a focus on brand consistent colors, fonts, graphics, and high-quality printing to ensure that message resonates and lasts a long time. Also, don't forget to include your brand's name somewhere in that design too. From promotional giveaways to using t-shirts as employee uniforms, and even leveraging social media and influencer marketing, there are so many strategies that you can use to share your t-shirts with the world and amplify your brand's presence. When you're trying to elevate your brand, don't hesitate to think outside the box on how you can use tools and merchandise like custom t-shirts to make your brand stand out. Also, don't forget to take advantage of the resources I mentioned throughout the video, including our custom t-shirt design service. The first 20 inquiries get a free consultation, so definitely check out the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more content to help elevate your brand every Monday. Oh, and do the same on our last video as well for the chance to win a free brand audit. All right, that's it for today. So thank you so much for watching and keep creating. I can't wait to see the amazing things you accomplish. Bye for now.